Everyone, welcome to solve this math Olympiad algebra problem, and here we have xy minus 7 whole square is equals to x square plus y square. So now in this question we find the value of x plus y. So here the very first step we are going to do is here first you focus in the right hand side and we have x square plus y square. So here we need to complete the square of this term, so that here we add 2xy on both of the sides, and it will be written as xy minus 7 whole square plus 2 times of xy is equals to x square plus y square plus 2 times of xy. So here if we just add 2xy on both of the sides, and now you focus on the right hand side first. So you see here we have a square plus b square plus 2 times of ab. So this is the our nice square identity, and when we complete the square of this term, it will be written as x plus y whole square. So in this case we just open the square of this term, and it will be written as xy whole square plus 7 square minus 2 times of xy into 7, and this is our plus 2 times of xy. So here we add and subtract the like terms in the left hand side. So we write it as xy whole square plus this is 7 square becomes 49, and the 7 2s are 14 times of xy, and plus 2xy is equals to x plus y whole square. So here we need more simplifications, and we write it as xy whole square. So this is minus 14xy plus 2xy is equals to minus 12 times of xy, and this is our 49 is equals to x plus y whole square. So now in the next step, here we need some simplifications in the left hand side. So we rewrite this equation as xy whole square minus 12 times of xy. So here we break this 49 and we write it as 36 plus 13 is equals to x plus y whole square. So after that, you focus on these three terms, and we know that the 6 is written as 6 square. So this will be the complete square of xy minus 6 whole square, and this is our plus 13 equals to x plus y whole square. So now after the next step, we move this xy minus 6 whole square to the right hand side, and it will be written as x plus y whole square minus xy minus 6 whole square is equals to 13. We move this term to the right hand side, and it will be written in this form. And after that, here we need the nice square identity, and you know about this identity. If we have a square minus b square, it is equals to a minus b times of a plus b. So this is our value of a, and this is our value of b. And now in the next step, we use this nice square identity to the above term, and our above term will be written as first we have a minus b. So here our a is x plus y, and minus our b is xy minus 6 into a plus b, and here again our a is x plus y and our b is xy minus 6, and it is equals to 13. So in the next step, here we need some simplifications, and we write it as x plus y, and we multiply this minus sign on both of these terms, and it will be written as xy plus 6, and in this case we have x plus y plus xy minus 6 is equals to 13. So here you focus on the left hand side. You have two factors are multiplied by each other, but in the right hand side we have only one factor, which is 13. So now we first convert, or we find any two numbers whose product is 13. So here we have some possibilities in which we get the product of two numbers is 13. So that our first possibility is, if you multiply 1 by 13, then you get here 13, and the second possibility is 13 times of 1 is also 13, and our third possibility is minus 1 times of minus 13 is equals to plus 13, and our fourth possibility is that minus 13 times of minus 1 is also becomes plus 13. So here we have these four possibilities in which you get 13. So now we can solve this equation by using these four possibilities. So that here we first discuss our case number 1. So in case number 1, here we compare the left hand side with these two numbers, and so it will be written as x plus y minus xy plus 6 is equals to 1, and our second equation is x plus y and plus xy minus 6 is equals to 13. So here you come our comparison with case number 1. And now in order to find the value of x plus y, here we need to add these two equations, so that when you add these two equations, so you see there, this is negative and positive xy are gone, this is positive and negative 6 are gone. So here you add these two terms and it will be written as 2x plus 2y equals to 1 plus 13 is 14. So here we divide both of the sides by 2 and you get x plus y is equals to 7. So this is the value of x plus y which we get from case number 1, and now we compare our given equations with case number 2. So that here you see our case number 2. So this is our case number 2, which is 13 and 1. We compare these two factors by 13 and 1, and our case number 2 is written as x plus y minus xy plus 6 is equals to 13, and x plus y plus xy minus 6 is equals to 1. So this is our case number 2, and here we again add these two equations. So this is positive and negative are gone, this is positive and negative are gone, and we get 2x plus 2y equals to 14, and here we again divide both of the sides by 2 and you get x plus y is equals to 7. So that from case number 1 and case number 2 we get the same value of x plus y, and which is 7. So now we move towards our case number 3, so that here we compare the left hand side with case number 3. So this is our left hand side, and case number 3 is minus times of minus 13. So we compare these two factors with minus 1 and minus 13. So in our case number 3, it will be written as x plus y minus xy plus 6 is equals to minus 1, and x plus y plus xy minus 6 is equals to minus 13. So this is the our case number 3, and now we add these two equations. So this is negative and positive are cancelled by each other, these are also cancelled by each other, and we add these two values and you get 2x plus 2y equals to minus 14. So you get the value of x plus y is equals to minus 7. So this is the value of x plus y which we get from case number 3, and it is minus 7. So now we compare the given equations with case number 4. So that in case number 4 you have two equations are x plus y minus xy plus 6 is equals to minus 13, and x plus y plus xy minus 6 is equals to minus 1. So these are the two equations from equation number from case number 4, and now we add again these two equations. So these and these are cancelled by each other, and you get here 2x plus 2y equals to minus 14, and finally you get the value of x plus y in this case is minus 7. So here from these four cases we get only two values of x plus y. One is minus 7 and other is plus 7. So these are the two answers of this question, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.